Varo Advance is the closest alternative to Chime SpotMe, because it gives eligible customers access to short-term funds, instead of simply covering debit card overdrafts. By the end of this video, you'll know how Varo Advance compares with Chime SpotMe, which feature is more flexible, and which one is the better fit for your banking habits. The short answer is that the better option depends on why you need extra money. If you mainly want overdraft protection on everyday purchases, Chime SpotMe is designed for that purpose. If you occasionally need cash before payday, Varo Advance offers a different type of solution. Chime SpotMe works by allowing eligible customers to overdraw their account on qualifying debit card purchases and cash withdrawals up to their approved limit without charging overdraft fees. Instead of sending money into your account, it temporarily covers transactions that exceed your available balance. Varo Advance works differently. Eligible customers can request a cash advance that is deposited into their Varo account and repaid later according to the program's terms. Because the money is added to your balance, it can be used for a wider range of expenses instead of only covering overdraft transactions. Eligibility is also different. Both services review account activity before making features available. Factors such as regular direct deposits, account history, and responsible account use can affect whether you qualify and how much access you receive. Neither company guarantees that every customer will be approved. If your paycheck usually arrives on time, and you occasionally spend slightly more than your available balance, Chime SpotMe may be enough. It quietly covers qualifying transactions without requiring you to request an advance every time. If you sometimes need money before your next paycheck for bills, groceries, or other planned expenses, Varo Advance may provide more flexibility because the funds are added directly to your account after approval. No matter which service you choose, it works best as a short-term backup rather than a regular source of spending money. Relying on advances or overdraft protection every pay period can make budgeting more difficult over time. So which app has the better SpotMe alternative? If you're comparing features similar to overdraft protection, Chime SpotMe remains the stronger option because that's exactly what it was built to do. If you're looking for access to cash before payday, Varo Advance is the more practical choice. The key points are simple. Chime SpotMe is best for qualifying overdraft protection. Varo Advance is better for receiving cash before payday, and maintaining steady account activity improves your chances of qualifying for either feature. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward financial app comparisons.